This is a function test for this Yashica Kyocera T2 35mm camera. First we will install the battery and the film. The little clip is loose, but it's taped in right now. We'll just turn it on and make sure it works. It's working. Turn it on. Install the film. Turn it on. Okay, guess it's loaded. Here we go. Flash is working. Here's the automatic timer. See the red light come on, and after so many seconds it should take a picture. Okay. And here's a no flash. If you hold this down and take a picture, no flash. Daylight flash. You can see it's pretty well worn, as this case is really worn too. Alright, that's a quick test. We'll do a rewind right here. Alright, thanks for watching.